New window replacements are an investment, and when it comes to your home, you want to be sure that you have a window contractor that values quality. The saying, you get what you pay for, is one that we know all too well, and it rings true when it comes to your window replacement project. If your home has the original windows, unless you worked with the builder on custom window options, then your windows are considered to be builder's grade. Builder's grade windows typically have a lifespan of about 10 years. That lifespan can be cut short depending on the window's quality and the weather conditions that they're exposed to. Our windows are designed to withstand our Texas weather and are made with quality materials that help to extend the life of your custom windows. If you're feeling draftiness when you near your window, or if you're noticing some fogginess or condensation between your window panes, this is a sign that your windows need to be replaced. A window replacement project with Expo Home Improvement guarantees that you'll get everything you need from your home window and more.